Welcome to Wiley VCH's demonstration of the mass spectra of designer drugs 2014. Designer drugs are a problem all over the world, and Wiley VCH has partnered with Digilab to provide the most comprehensive and up-to-date collection of mass spectral signatures in the field. Mass spectra of designer drugs is updated annually, and it contains many compounds that are validated orthogonally. In addition, over 70% of the compounds appear nowhere else. So when we compare it against other databases such as the Wiley Registry, the NIST, the MPW, or even the SWIG drug, we find that between 70 to 90% of the compounds are unique. And remember that if a compound is in a library, there will be no accurate match. To illustrate this, we show that Designer Drugs 2014 has over 10 times the amount of compounds that are in SWIG drug. Now, Mass Spectra of Designer Drugs is updated annually, and in interim releases we provide data to law enforcement for free at the website designerdrugs.de. Designer Drugs has information embedded in each record to help you find information more easily. This includes retention indices using various columns, as well as applications descriptions. So we're going to start looking at using a search constraint in Designer Drugs. And we're first of all going to do a search using NIST against a bunch of libraries, including Designer Drugs. And we show that we get a lot of hits. And of course the top hits are from Designer Drugs. Now we're going to add the constraint. You go in there, use constraints. You scroll down, put in the tag, and then run the search again. And what we're going to find is that we have a much more precise search. And so if you're trying to look for information on these specific effects, you can do that type of a search. We can also constrain our search using by looking at the retention index. So here we're going to go into the Browse by Names in the NIST search software, and we're going to find a candidate that we'll be interested in looking at. In this case, we're going to look at a compound. We'll find its retention index in the comments field. And then we will type in the retention index. And there you can now browse among various spectra that have a similar retention index. For additional information, we provide all the data in Compound Search. Compound Search is available online, it's free, and it provides information corresponding to the spectra in our databases as well as to our chemical synthetic methods. Compound Search also links out to PubChem, Medline, NCBI, Google. So, in closing, Designer Drugs is comprehensive, it's up to date, and it saves your staff time. Thank you for your time.